Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Today we're exploring how you can manifest more money into your life, not through struggle or hustle, but through love. Love is your most powerful manifesting tool, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Let's start with this simple truth. Love is the highest vibrational frequency there is, and money is just energy. That means the more you're vibrating at the frequency of love, the more abundance you naturally attract, without forcing, without fear, and without lack. So when you're in a state of love, let's say for yourself, your life, or for others, you open your energy field to receive. You become the magnet. You don't chase money. It just flows to you. Most of us are taught to think about money with stress, worry, or even guilt, but those are all fear-based emotions, and fear repels abundance. So the first step is to notice how you're feeling about money right now. Are you afraid, ashamed, resentful? Well, that's okay. Just bring love to those feelings. Say to yourself, even though I feel this way about money, I choose to love and accept myself completely. The more you soften into love, especially self-love, the more you release those blocks that have kept abundance away from you. Okay, now let's walk through a simple yet powerful technique to manifest money through love. So I'm going to ask you to close your eyes if you feel comfortable and place your hand over your heart. Okay, we're going to take a deep breath in and release it out. Now bring to mind someone or something you love deeply. It could be a person, a pet, a memory, anything that makes your heart glow. Now I want you to feel that warmth, that expansion, that joy. Let that loving feeling grow. Imagine it radiating from your heart like a golden light. Now picture money flowing into your life, wrapped in that same golden light. Feel gratitude as if it's already here. Feel how natural and loving it is to receive. Okay, it's now time to open our eyes again. But for those who need or want more time, just press pause here and remain with the feelings as long as you wish. So that is how you manifest money with love, by blending gratitude, worthiness, and high vibration. So if you do this every day, even for a few minutes, you'll start noticing shifts. And let's make this real in your daily life. How about trying these 3 simple practices? Say something like, I love money and money loves me every morning. Or give money with love, whether it's a tip, a gift, or a bill. Or when you receive money, even $1, say thank you with your whole heart. The more you feel love in your financial life, the more abundance flows in. Love turns into money. It turns into a sacred exchange, not just a transaction. So please remember, you don't have to earn love or abundance. They are your birthright. So when you lead with love, the universe responds with more than you could ever imagine. So if this video helped you shift into love and abundance, give it a like. Share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more manifestation content. So until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.